Hey guys, so welcome to the help screen, and this is how to give yourself Engram points in ARK. Is first thing that you will do is go to your settings on the application, and then from there go to advanced, and guys make sure to toggle the console access. So guys, make sure to turn it on because we are gonna use this in order for us to give ourselves an Engram points in ARC. And after that, guys, you will now have a console. And the first thing that you will do is type in set cheat player true. And then from here, guys, you will be able to enable the cheat. And after that, guys, just type on add experience and select how much to add. And then after that, guys, you are gonna give yourself an Engram points in ARC. And there you go, guys. That's how to give yourself Engram points in ARC. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.